Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.com. Now you definitely need to be using some version of the Thesis Theme in order for this tutorial video to apply to you. What I'll be teaching in this video is how to optimize your blog posts or apply SEO or search engine optimization to your blog posts so that they are more easily found in search engines such as Google. So let us get started. I'm going to click on this tab in my browser, which brings me to the dashboard of Jim's Max GXL marketing team where I've already logged in. Now I'm going to click on the posts here. Now the post I want to optimize is called Horseback Riding Lessons, Horseback Riding Instructions. Okay, so up here, this is called the headline of the post, and this is the body of the post. That yellow symbolizes the video which is in the post. I don't think I showed you that, so let me click on this tab. I'm going to scroll down a little, and here is the post in the blog with the video that I'm going to optimize. Now, none of the optimization that we apply to this post is going to be visible in the browser. It's all going to be behind the scenes secret HTML stuff. But you don't need to know any HTML to do it, so don't worry. Okay, now right under the post, if you'll notice, scroll down slowly, it says SEO details and additional style. So you've got this section here, and I'm going to scroll to the bottom and start there. Now this section, or this part of the section, says CSS class, read more text, 301 redirect. We're not going to touch that right now. Most of the time you're not going to be using it. I'm trying to keep this video short, simple, and powerful. Now the first thing I will address is this robots meta tags. Now if you can remember this, if you want your post to be seen, leave these boxes unchecked. Do not check those boxes. Only check these three boxes if you do not want your blog post to be found in the search engines. And that, of course, begs the question, well, why would you create a post if you don't want it to be found in the search engines? Well, it could be a number of reasons. It could be a practice post, a test post. It could be a private post. It could be a post only for members only to see. Who knows? It doesn't matter. If you do not want your blog post to be found on the search engines, leave these checked. Otherwise, 99% of the time you're going to create a blog post and you're going to leave these unchecked. Now I'm going to scroll up and we're going to deal with the title, custom title tag. This is what you will see in the Google search engine, and I'm going to go into that in more detail in a minute. Now what to put in there, what I would do typically is go up here, right click, and then select all. Mouse over it again. Do not left click or you just end up undoing what you just did. So right click, select all, mouse over it again, and then another right click and a copy. Then go down here to where it says custom title, right click and paste. It's as simple as that. Now it says here search engines allow a maximum of 70 characters for the title. So I'm going to click in here, and instead of horseback I'm just going to take off a couple of letters here, and you can see I'm still at 72. I'm a little over, so I could get rid of this S, add videos at the end, select, and it brings me to 71, and maybe I'll get rid of this S here. And now we're at exactly 70 characters. How critical is it if you go over a couple of characters? I don't know. I'm not sure I'd worry about that. Next thing we want to do, meta description. Now I've already typed out a description in a Microsoft Word document, so I'm going to go to the bottom, just open that document. Here's the description that I want, so I'm just going to highlight this. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy, deselect in the white, minimize the screen, and now I'm back to my administrative panel and the SEO details and additional style. So just click in here, you get that gold outline, you know you're in the right place, right click and paste. So now I'm pasting my description. If you have a long description, you need more room to look at it. In case you want to edit it, just click on this right corner and drag down. That's all you need to do. And then click in the white area to deselect. We've got some keywords we want to put in. Go back here. I've already typed out the keywords that I want. I'm going to highlight that. Right click, copy, deselect, minimize, and I just go in here, get that gold outline, and I'm just going to paste. Deselect again. Just a little note, don't worry too much about keywords, the meta keywords. Even Google themselves say that the keywords are not that important anymore. They've been used and abused for so many years by so many different webmasters and SEO experts that they just don't put a lot of weight on the keywords. But since there's a space for it and since it only takes less than 30 seconds, you might as well put something in there. Okay, after you've done that, you are basically done. You've just optimized your post for the search engines. That's how easy it is. I'm going to click Update. Go back to the blog post, and you can see I'm going to hit refresh. You're not going to see any changes in the post. It's all behind the scenes stuff. I am going to take another minute now to go in a little more detail to try to explain what we just did. Now I'm going to scroll up, and there you can see a screenshot of the SEO details and additional style. And when I did a search for horseback riding lessons in Google, so I just did a screenshot of it, and underneath it said horse riding lessons, horseback riding instructions, horse riding, and then there's a ... What I'm trying to teach you here is that what's in the custom title tag, this area here, horse, if you read that, it's exactly what you have up here. It's just videos. This video's down here got cut off. So what you put in the title tag is very important. Also, just as a little point of interest, when somebody goes to bookmark or bookmark your post or add that post to the favorites, the listing that it gives is the text that you have in the title tag, okay? Now, meta description. Look how it says, train yourself to ride a horse, easy to understand book. The text up here, train yourself to ride a horse, easy to understand book. So the text under the link that's listed for your post in Google, the text under that is the text you put in meta description. So you want it to be human readable, you want it to make sense. Now the meta tags down here, the meta keywords, don't show up on the visible page in any list. It's all behind the scenes stuff. I'm going to show you just a quick glimpse of what the HTML page looks like. And you can read this. I typed this out. The following is hidden HTML code. So if somebody looks at your blog post, they will not see this in the browser, but they'll see this if they look at the source code for that page. That's the title tag, goes there. Everything you typed into description will be found right here. And everything you type into keywords will be found right here. And that's, let me just minimize this, go back to the blog, and that's basically all you need to know to utilize the SEO function that's included in the Thesis Theme version 1.8 or any version of the Thesis Theme. And that's another reason that I like the Thesis Theme, because of its SEO capabilities. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you had a great day.